Hello, good morning students, children. In our lesson, the nervous system or our nervous system, lesson number 10, we had started discussing about the brain of human beings. As we discussed that our brain is divided into three parts, and the first part which we discussed is cerebrum. As we discussed that cerebrum, it covers almost 90% of the brain. It is dome shaped, it has ridges and you have those folds and ridges which we discussed. Then we discussed that cerebrum controls the sense organ, the functioning of our eyes, nose, tongue and even our touch. Okay, and we discussed that cerebrum, it is because of cerebrum that it controls our intelligence. It helps us to remember many things, learn things, or learn, remember and recalling the things. So it is functioning in a way that it is controlling all our sense organ and our intelligence. Now, just below cerebrum, we have Selebium. That is, just below the cerebrum is the Selebium. C-E-R-E-B-E-L-L-U-M. C-E-R-E-B-E-L-L-U-M. Selebium. Okay? And it coordinates the action of muscles. The muscles are controlled by Selebium, and it makes them work together. Our muscles, as you know, we have almost 640 muscles in our body, and that is controlled by Cerebrum, the next part. And it helps to balance our body, like when you walk, when you ride a bicycle, your balance. Otherwise, you see some people, they suffer from a disease called vertigo. That is when it spins and they cannot stand properly, they just about to fall. So all these things are controlled by the brain, and it makes us to keep us posture upright. Upright means straight, okay, not like this, upright. If the cerebrum doesn't function properly, our body movement becomes jerky. Like some people you see they have this their muscles and when they move also they are shaking, or especially when a person becomes old because of due to age, this cerebrum part is not functioning properly. So children, cerebrum is very important, as I told you, and I'll show you what the cerebrum. This is your cerebrum. Okay, can you see these are not like veins? These are the nerves and the veins which are, we had studied that they bring the information to the brain, and from the brain decides what action to be done, and then it carries. So this is your cerebrum. Children, cerebrum actually controls our all voluntary movement, like walking, dancing, painting, all the voluntary. We want to paint the muscles, isn't it? Dancing or exercising, jumping, all these things where we are moving our limbs or our body parts, and the muscles are moving, so that action is controlled by the brain. And that which part of the brain? It is cerebrum. And it keeps our muscle movement smooth and effective. When you ride a bicycle, it helps to keep your balance on. Like sometimes you see person cannot walk properly or straight and falls. So all these things are controlled by cerebrum. Okay, so this is the picture of cerebrum. One more picture I am showing you. As you can see, this is cerebrum, which we discussed. Cerebrum 90%. This is your cerebrum. And now we are going to the next module we are going to study the third part of the brain. Thank you.